Right, this is Felix. He's writing an epitaph
what was it again?
for a dead bird that we found. We just buried.
Jim the bird.
We decided to call the bird Jim. And Felix is going to call the cat Bob, I think.
Killed by the cat.
There's Posy. Posy just made a little cross. I'm not sure what she's doing. Sure she's doing now.
Shall I write?
That's what I think it's
anything that rhymes.
In loving, you could say in loving memory of Jim.
Loving memory of Jim.
Jim the bird.
I wonder if it was a boy or a girl.
Good friend.
Good friend to all. Even though we didn't even meet it.
Yes, Posy. And Pia's doing her own thing. Is that okay, Susie?
She looks all bohemian today, doesn't she?
Yeah. But I don't know why I'm doing this. Silly, really. Gooseberry, currant, oxeye daisy, asparagus, pak choy.
I like that metal thing. What are you going to do with that?
I haven't decided it.
Nice, aren't they?
Yeah. Well, it's a matter of opinion.
I quite like them.
Come on, you don't need to write an essay. It'll all be gone in a day or two when it rains.
Very neat writing.
I made a bunch of daisies for Jim.
Oh, it's a really balmy day today. It's warm and overcast.
Muggy.
Slightly muggy. I was going to use that thing for tiddlywinks.
That's a potion.
What is it? Oh,
Nice.
well done.
That's really nice.
How
What lovely colours, Pia.
how original of you, Pia.
In loving memory, even though we never met you.
Right.
Felix.
Felix is going to put the epitaph on the grave now. There we are.
It might blow away.
Pia, you want to put another stone on it? You can go get another stone and put. There's Posy's little cross there, you see?
And
Oh, Posy's little put a posy of flowers. Oh.
Killed by the cat called. You're sincere. R.I.P. Jim the bird. Killed by cat called Bob. I'm in loving memory, even though we never met you. Yours sincerely, Steve, Helen, Posy, Felix, and Pia. It's like a letter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's called an epitaph. That's what you write when somebody's died.
Yeah. I can't see that.
Epitaph. Here's Pia. Do you like wildflowers, Pia?